Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Targeted AI solutions review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about this software called Targeted AI Solutions. So this is the Targeted AI Solutions review. Right now we are on sales page, and then we have the demo video which is MP4. So it's a zip file. I can download this on my computer, so I can click on open link and it will start downloading. I will close it because I do not download any zip files from the internet unless I want to, okay? So yes, randomly I don't download the zip file, so I will not be showing you the demo video. You can go and watch somebody else's, video if you want to see this demo video of this product, okay? Because if the zip file, they should have made the demo video available on the cloud. It is their fault. So I am not going to download a zip file. So carrying on with the sales page, here says unlock the future of local marketing and business growth. No more overpriced consultants, just smart AI solutions. Introducing your ultimate AI-powered arsenal for local services and marketing. Total AI solutions at your command. Makes no sense to me at all. Do you understand anything about, by reading all this, do you have any idea what this software and product could be? I guess the language could have been more simple and stay to the point, that what the customers are going to get if they buy this. Maybe they will tell us ahead. So imagine a world where expert digital marketing and business growth advice is just a click away. Don't make sense to me. And then they're asking you to click a video to play. So I'm not going to play the video either. Okay, let's go through the sales page and what I can find from here. This is the dashboard, I guess, okay? So you are supposed to create some kind of AI digital consultants. Okay. See, I'm laughing at the concept, not at the software, okay? So they have developed a software, they are selling the software, it's a business, that's fine, okay? So you can buy this in $17, right? And as I said, I am not able to understand the product completely, but as long I can guess that you will be able to log in into the members area. And then I can see here we have Bing AI prompt, Chat GPT AI prompt, AI prompt, YouTube maybe, right? So it is kind of something to do with Chat GPT that, in case you are not able to, or you don't want to pay for Chat GPT monthly for their paid version, then you can buy this software in one-time cost from where you can get these prompts and you can generate some AI content using their software, okay? So yes, go and buy this, go and buy this if you want to use this software for these prompts and Jason's choice. So what I was laughing about earlier, that I'm still laughing, you fucking want to replace a really human digital consultant with a fucking AI? Who the fuck, which AI in this world can challenge me on digital marketing? Tell me. Which digital fucking AI can take over my role? I'm a human, fuck you. So there's no fucking digital AI bot which can do the job of a real digital marketing person, because that job has to be done manually with your hands. Anyways, so I guess again, if you want to utilize this software for your certain needs, for your certain tasks, go and buy this. Nobody is stopping you. But I am after this concept that everybody is taking the AI in their asses. I don't think that's necessary. Or maybe at least let me give an example. What about your girlfriend or wife? Is she using a vibrator in her pussy? Because that's also an AI. Are you not a man enough to satisfy her so that she has to use a vibrator in her fucking pussy? That's an AI for you. Now you decide that you want AI in your life or you don't want AI in your life. Okay? It was like, back in 2016, Europeans, what did they decide or say? Oh, refugees are welcome to our country. Come from Syria, come from Middle East, come to Europe. You're welcome. We welcome refugees. And now look what happens in your country. Look, France happened, Germany happens, girls get raped by radical, these immigrants and all. that crap which you have invited to your country, and you deserve to pay for it. So that is AI for you, okay? Now, I'm not saying that shouldn't be using AI. Well, I'm saying it, you shouldn't be. But certain things are easier. For example, if you have to cheat as in, let's say if I ask you to write 2000 words article for any topic, you are impotent, you are handicapped, brainless, because you can't do it yourself manually. Can you? But every fucking buddy can go to ChatGPT or some AI software and then just say, hey ChatGPT, can you write me a 2000 word article on this topic? And ChatGPT gives you 2000 words, and then you copy and you paste, and you call yourself some fucking article writer or some content writer. You're shit, you're nothing. You're a piece of crap. Because you don't have the skill to write those 2000 words from your own brain. So you're a piece of shit. So when you try to find shortcut, it's because you don't. Who am I talking to? Why am I wasting my time? Carry on with this. So let's get done with this. Sales page is done. Okay, so the software is fine. There's no problem with the software. If you want some alternate solution to ChatGPT to try some AI, then go and buy the software. No problem at all. Okay. And in case you are a real human and you are looking for a real method to make money online, I'll tell you which methods. Hold on. I have to pinpoint one more point, fact here, or point here. It talks about some local marketing, local business. Ask yourself, is that your area of expertise, area of interest? Do you want to find clients every day? Do you want to offer them some service? Before providing them service, you have to convince them, you have to close the deal. And before even these two things, you have to find a way to get to their inbox. How would you contact leads? Are you skillful enough to talk to them over the phone to close the deal? Do something which you can do. Don't do something just because something popped up in your email inbox. Don't do something because I'm asking you to do it. Don't do something because somebody else is asking you to do it. Do it if it's relevant to your personality. Don't just start buying everything on the internet just because it popped up in your email inbox. So yesterday I was doing TikTok. Now I will do this Instagram. Tomorrow I will do some LinkedIn. Then another day I'll do YouTube. No, stick to one method which suits your personality, which you want to do. Because when you choose one method which you want to do, you will have to carry on doing it every other day for long term, okay? So if you find something disinteresting, that's not your interest, don't even start it. Because let's say some people would love doing local marketing, would love finding clients, would love talking to them, would love closing the deal, would love providing the services, and they would love the whole process, and they would like to rinse and repeat this. But some people would be saying, oh, I have to find clients. How would I do that? I have to talk to them as well. Oh, I can't do that. How would I do that? What do I tell them? What do I tell them? How do I sell them? So for some people, it could be a problem. For some people, it could work, okay? So ask yourself that, are you made for this local marketing? If you are, go and try, okay? If you're not, then don't just force yourself to do something because somebody you like might have sent you an email. Oh yeah, you like TubeCore? I send you an email, but if you don't want to do this, then don't do it. And the same goes for everybody else out there. If they send you email, no matter how much you like that person from whom you have received the email, if you don't want to do the method, don't do it. Some methods which I have below my video, which I do personally, which makes me my money, real money. First method is this Forex trading, okay? So you see this link, make money on autopilot with Forex trading. It's like quite simple, buy low, sell high, buy high, sell low. It works in both ways. We do this in automation by using a software, more details coming shortly. Second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis is all about doing what I'm doing on YouTube manually, okay? There are some OTOs here as well, so you can see 17 and more and more and more, okay? So do whatever you like. I am making this video only because I have to do the review. I am doing the review only because I had to make the YouTube video. Otherwise, I don't care about any of this, okay? My money is being made simply by using these two methods. First is I told you this Forex thingy here, which you see, okay? This happens in the back end. And the YouTube video which you have seen right now, in this YouTube video, whether you buy something from me or not, whether I sell you something or not, I have made my money because you have seen some ads in this YouTube video already. These ads make me a little bit money, okay? My money is made. Rest, IDC. Subscribe and like. If you want to make real money online as well, then check out these methods and watch the video till the end. Now, if your end goal is only to make money online, then come below my video right now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute, you may click on super thanks. Now, click on the first link here, says make money on autopilot with Forex trading. Now, Forex trading is quite simple and complicated at the same time because it's about the knowledge. So you do not need to know exactly what's happening here, but if you take a look at this machine or the graph right now, this is a currency graph. So the concept is that you buy currency at low price and you sell when the price goes up. So buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. Okay. Now we will not be doing any of this manually because we will be using a software, and then that software will be doing all this buying and selling automatically on our behalf, and we will be just making profits. Okay. So again, come below and click on the first link here, then come on this page, enter your name, enter your email address, then click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. There are two videos on the main sales page of the syndicate, option 1 and option 2. Watch those two videos till the end to understand what this method is all about, okay? I cannot explain everything right now in this video. So you have to go and fill up the form, then watch those two videos till the end. And after that, if you want to get started, then you can contact me or message me on Skype. Or if you have any questions, you can again message me on Skype, okay? Do not contact me before watching those two videos till the end. Otherwise, I will block you. Don't contact me without without doing your homework, okay? If you're not serious, get out. So contact me only if you're serious, interested, and you have done your homework, right? So fill up the form and go on the sales page, watch those two videos, and then you can get back to me because the syndicate will make you 60% profits weekly for doing nothing, because you do not have to go through any training, any modules or anything. I will be managing everything on your behalf. So I will be setting up the virtual machine. I will be setting up the graph. I will be installing the software. I will be giving the settings to the software. Everything I will manage on your behalf. And once we start making profits with the system, then you get to keep 60% profits weekly and I get to keep 40% profits weekly. I'm talking about profits, okay? When the system makes money, then only you get paid and then only I get paid, right? If you want to know how to get started, fill up the form and watch those videos and then get back to me. Now, second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I am doing right now on YouTube. So in case you want to make money on YouTube by doing these reviews, or you want to make money without selling anything, then go and get Traffic Jarvis, because Traffic Jarvis will help you to make money on YouTube without even selling anything. For example, in this YouTube video, when you are watching my video, you have seen some ads as well. These ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not, okay? Because my YouTube channel is monetized. And in order for this to work for you, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel. And with the help of Traffic Jarvis, you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, right? So with Traffic Jarvis, you will be able to do exactly what I'm doing right now, make these reviews, affiliate marketing, email marketing, YouTube monetization, everything. But the difference between the first option here and the second option is that in first option, make money on autopilot with Forex thingy, you have to do nothing and you still make 60% profits. If you want to go and get Traffic Jarvis and work on YouTube, then you have to work manually, okay? Both methods work. I am doing them both personally and I'm making money using both the methods because the first system is completely on autopilot. So I have time, and if I have time, I come on YouTube and I make my videos. So I can do both. Now, I don't know your situation. You might want to go with the first option, or you might want to go with the second, or you might want to go with the both, just like me, okay? So choose whatever suits your situation, okay? In the end, again, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. As a YouTuber, I can't subscribe to my own channel, right? So check out these links, and in the end, I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything, okay? So before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending one email per day, but you need a lot of numbers, okay? You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go in and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries. And you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send that emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far. And when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my, on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission, okay? So these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video. So whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers, okay? And then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video, watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes, okay? Now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the Traffic Jarvis video, watch the video, take action. Because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me, okay? The same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days. And after that, your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money, okay? And you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required, okay? And again, these numbers will change. These numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future, it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future, okay? All right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says, get Kiss Tracking, keep it simple, stupid. Kiss Tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to buy these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this Kiss Tracking training. And this Kiss Tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis, okay? And then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email, be my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person from one sale, okay? So if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month, okay? So this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside, how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have, all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already. And experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost, okay? So this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for the rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free. And it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses, okay? So all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work, okay? So again, in the end, go and check everything. And thank you so much for watching the video so far. And subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel. So you got to do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super, comments here. And thank you for watching the video again, I guess. I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, bye-bye, tai-tai. That means tada bye-bye.